Don't let anyone judge you for your hobbies and your passions. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know you were there. My whole agency started because I was messing around with this kind of stuff. I loved music and I had to promote myself, and I learned how to do graphic design and web design and video production and all of the above. So I would like to encourage those that may not have the encouragement behind the hobbies that they have to know that, pursue your passions, have fun, enjoy what you're doing, love what you're doing, and learn how to turn those hobbies and passions into something that you could make a career. Don't let anyone judge you for your hobbies and your passions, but utilize it as a tool to become a contributing member to society and to, make yourself a career.